about exposure times. So at first we inspect the film to make sure there's no resin or debris on the surface of the film. Everything looks good. The shims are clean. So first we'll take the cover film, which is a protective layer. We'll cover the cast. Pull it out even all the way into the trough. Make sure that it's even on each side. So on each side is slightly skewed. Pull it up. Use it over, square it off as best as possible. Take my wand and press out any large wrinkles. First button to use is to secure the vacuum of the cover film over the negatives. So I continue to take out the remaining wrinkles. Pull in the corners to pull out any wrinkles on the edges. So the drawdown is good. There's no blemishes on the surface of the film, and there's no wrinkles in the cover film. So the next step is to move the carriage to the operating position. I will press the carriage to the left. While the carriage is moving, I want to make sure that the carriage clears the cover film, that it doesn't drag. So it's good. It clears the cover film, so that's good. Okay. The carriage is going to move all the way to the operating position and stop. So while the carriage is moving, I'm going to take the plate back in. Roll it up small. Small enough where it can fit into the laminating spool. Okay, so I'm ready to dispense resin. First,
that's right here.
Open the trough. And right after I open the trough, I would immediately walk over and hold down the substrate and move the carriage to the right. So open trough, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the resin is suspended as the carriage moves, and the laminate is being placed on the back side of the cast, which will be the back side of the plate. And as the carriage approaches the end of the cast, I got to make sure that I close my trough when I get to this marker. When this gets here, I actually close my trough. carriage gets in the home position, then I'll be able to lower the upper frame and then execute exposure. Now I'll lower the upper frame. So exposure cycle with top backing. Now it's going into the automatic exposure. First, the T3 timer secures the plate bracket up against the upper glass, so that allows the plate to turn out flat. And then after this timer is completed, it'll go into the main T1, which will build a foundation for the raised image, the base of the stamp. Once this timer is completed, it'll go into the main face exposure, which will build a raised relief for the stamp. And afterwards, we'll open up the frame again and remove the plate out.